Hello students, today's topic inverse trigonometric functions. In this lecture we are going to cover some property and problems. Let's begin. Here I wrote some properties like sin inverse of sin theta is equals to theta for all theta belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Please remember the set where theta lies. Cos inverse of cos theta equals to theta for all theta belongs to 0 comma pi and so on. Let's talk about some problem. Sin inverse of sin pi by 6 is equals to pi by 6 since pi by 6 belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Next problem is inverse of sin 7 pi by 6. This is not equals to 7 pi by 6 since 7 pi by 6 does not belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. In this case we apply some trick like sin inverse sin 7 pi by 6 is equals to sin inverse sin pi plus pi by 6 equals to sin inverse minus sin pi by 6 sin inverse sin minus pi by 6 minus pi by 6. This will be the answer. Next problem is cos inverse cos 5 pi by 4. This is not equals to 5 pi by 4 since 5 pi by 4 does not belongs to 0 comma pi. In this case we apply the previous trick. Cos inverse cos 5 pi by 4 cos inverse cos pi plus pi by 4 cos inverse cos pi by 4, but this will be negative. Cos inverse cos pi minus pi by 4 cos inverse cos 3 pi by 4 is equals to 3 pi by 4. This will be the answer. Next problem is sec inverse sec 25 pi by 6. This is not equals to 25 pi by 6 since 25 pi by 6 does not belongs to minus pi by 2 comma 0 union 0 comma pi by 2. Sec inverse sec 25 pi by 6. This is equals to sec inverse sec 4 pi plus pi by 6 sec inverse sec pi by 6 pi by 6 will be the answer. Next problem is tan inverse this one. This is equals to tan inverse under root 2 sin square x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2. This is equals to tan inverse sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. This is equals to tan inverse tan x by 2. This is equals to tan inverse minus tan x by 2 when minus pi less than x less than 0. Remember this one. This is also tan inverse of tan x by 2 when 0 less than equals to x less than pi equals to tan inverse tan minus x by 2 and tan inverse of tan x by 2 when minus pi less than x less than 0 when 0 less than equals to x less than pi. This is equals to minus x by 2 when minus pi less than x less than 0 and x by 2 when 0 less than equals to x less than pi. This will be the answer. Next problem is cot inverse of something equals to x by 2. At first, for this one 1 plus sin x, we can write cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. This is equals to under root cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. This is equals to cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Similarly, under root 1 minus sin x is equals to under root cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Since 0 is less than x less than pi by 2, 0 is less than x by 2 less than pi by 4. This implies that cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Left hand side cot inverse 1 plus sin x plus 1 minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x minus 1 minus sin x. This is equals to cot inverse cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. This is equals to cot inverse of 2 cos x by 2 divided by 2 sin x by 2. Cot inverse of cot x by 2. This is equals to x by 2. This is right hand side proved. Now, to simplify some trigonometric functions, for some expressions we apply some substitutions, like for a square plus x square we substitute x equals to a tan theta or x equals to a cot theta. For a square minus x square, we apply x equals to a sin theta and x equals to a cos theta. For x square minus a square, we apply x equals to a sec theta or x equals to a cosec theta and so on. Let's talk about this problem. Write simplest form. In this case, we take x equals to tan theta. Therefore, tan inverse under root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. This is equals to tan inverse sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. This is equals to tan inverse 1 by cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta by cos theta. This is equals to tan inverse 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. This is equals to tan inverse 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. This is equals to tan inverse of tan theta by 2. This is equals to theta by 2. X equals to tan theta. Therefore, theta equals to tan inverse x. Answer will be half tan inverse x. Next problem is tan inverse of something is equals to something. We have to prove this. In this case, left hand side is tan inverse 1 plus x minus 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x plus 1 minus x. We can take x equals to cos 2 theta. Let x equals to cos 2 theta tan inverse 1 plus cos 2 theta 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta 1 minus cos 2 theta. Theta minus under root 2 sin square theta. This is equals to tan inverse root 2 cos theta minus root 2 sin theta divided by root 2 cos theta plus root 2 sin theta. This is equals to tan inverse 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta equals to tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. This is tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus theta. This is equals to pi by 4 minus theta equals to pi by 4 Previously we took x equals to cos 2 theta. Therefore 2 theta equals to cos inverse x. Theta equals to half cos inverse x. Answer will be pi by 4 minus half cos inverse x. This will be answer. Sorry, this is proof kind of problem. This is equals to RHS proved. Okay. Now let ABC be a right angle triangle. Right angle at B. P equals to perpendicular, B equals to base, and H equals to hypotenuse. For a angle theta, sin theta equals to P by H. Therefore, theta equals to sin inverse P by H. From this we can write this is equals to cos inverse B by H. This is equals to tan inverse P by B. This is equals to cot inverse B by P. This is equals to sec inverse H by B equals to cosec inverse H by P. Example, if sin inverse there is a problem that sin inverse 4 by 5, we can take a right angle triangle whose hypo is 5 and perpendicular is 4. Therefore, base will be 3. This is equals to cos inverse 3 by 5. This is equals to tan inverse 4 by 3 and so on. Now, we wrote some properties. Sin of sin inverse x equals to x. Cos inverse x equals to x. Tan inverse x equals to x and so on. For this, remember these sets where x belongs to. Let's talk about some problem. Sin of sec inverse 17 by 8. Suppose this is a right angle triangle. This is 17, this is 8. By Pythagoras theorem we can write this will be 15. So this is equals to sin of sin inverse this is equals to 15 by 17. This will be the answer. Next problem is cos of tan inverse 24 by 7. In this case, similarly, 24 will be the perpendicular of this right angle triangle and 7 will be base. By Pythagoras theorem we can write this will be 25. This is equals to cos of cos inverse 7 by 25. This is equals to 7 by 25. Now talk about this problem. Prove that this is equals to 63 by 65. Left hand side, sin of cos inverse 3 by 5 plus sin inverse 5 by 13. We can imagine this one by A and this one by B is equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. In this case, if we draw a right angle triangle whose base is 3, hypo is 5, then perpendicular will be 4. This is equals to sine inverse 4 by 5 cos of, and if we take another right angle triangle whose perpendicular is 5, hypo is 13, then base will be 12, cos inverse 12 by 13 plus 3 by 5 into 5 by 13. This is equals to 4 by 5 into 12 by 13 plus 3 by 5 into 5 by 13. This is equals to 48 by 65 plus 15 by 65. This is equals to 63 by 65 equals to RHS. Proved. Let's talk about this problem. Prove that this one equals to 11. Left hand side, tan square of sec inverse 2 plus cot square of cosec inverse 3. This is equals to tan of sec inverse 2 whole square plus cot of cosec inverse 3 whole square. We can imagine sec inverse 2 as alpha and cosec inverse 3 as beta. This is equals to sec of sec inverse 2 whole square minus 1 and cosec of cosec inverse 3 whole square minus 1. This is equals to 2 square plus 3 square minus 2. This is equals to 4 plus 9 minus 2. This is equals to 11 equals to RHS. Proved. Next problem is tan of something plus tan of something equals to 2b by a. We have to prove this. For this problem, let cos inverse a by b equals to theta. Therefore, cos theta equals to a by b. Left hand side, tan of pi by 4 plus half cos inverse a by b plus tan of pi by 4 minus half cos inverse a by b. This is equals to tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2 plus tan pi by 4 minus theta by 2. This is equals to tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan theta by 2. Similarly, tan pi by 4 minus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan theta by 2. This is equals to 1 plus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan theta by 2 plus 1 minus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta by 2. This is equals to 1 minus tan theta by 2 into 1 plus tan theta by 2, 1 plus tan theta by 2 whole square plus 1 minus tan theta by 2 whole square. This is equals to 2 into 1 plus tan square theta by 2, 1 minus tan square theta by 2. This is equals to 2 by cos theta. This is equals to 2b by a. Since cos inverse a by b equals to theta, equals to RHS. Proved. Next problem is solve cos of sin inverse x equals to 1 by 6. Cos of cos inverse root over 1 minus x square is equals to 1 by 6. From here, if we take a right angle triangle whose perpendicular is x and hypo is 1, therefore by Pythagoras theorem we can write that base will be 1 minus x square under root. So this is root over 1 minus x square equals to 1 by 6. 1 minus x square 1 by 36. X square is equals to 1 minus 1 by 36. X square is equals to 35 by 36. Therefore x is equals to plus minus root 35 by 6. This will be our solution. Now another property is sin inverse of minus x is equals to minus sin inverse x. Tan inverse of minus x is equals to minus tan inverse x. Cosec inverse of minus x is equals to minus cosec inverse x. These are similar kind of properties. And cos inverse of minus x is equals to pi minus cos inverse x, and sec inverse of minus x equals to pi minus sec inverse x. Cot inverse minus x equals to pi minus cot inverse x. These three are similar. Here, evaluate each of the following. This is equals to sec of pi minus cot inverse 5 by 12. This is equals to minus sec. If we take this one as theta, this will be minus sec theta, that is minus sec of cot inverse 5 by 12. If we take a right angle triangle whose base 5, perpendicular 12, hypo will be 13, this is equals to minus sec of sec inverse 13 by 5. This is equals to minus 13 by 5. This will be the answer. Next problem is tan of cos inverse minus 7 by 25. This is equals to tan pi minus cos 7 by 25. This is equals to minus tan cos 7 by 25. This will be inverse. If we take a right angle triangle whose base 7, hypo 25, then 24 will be perpendicular. This is equals to minus tan inverse 24 by 7. This is equals to minus 24 by 7. This will be the answer. This problem is for you. Please write the answer in comment section. Do subscribe and share the video